Ngakutshela selo mbona wenzani?
Action ya action. Action ndoda.
Yeah.
Are chicken. Oh, angiphazamisa.
Charlie, yebo. Uthe usiwa manje.
Isho khotho ngiyazi.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yebo,
Yeah, ngisho ya. Hayi video le. Yeah.
Lo right Charlie.
Because ifeza wonke umuntu.
Walala mfowethu. Walala.
Aslana Zayda when they top in the places of the places, in the what of the what. Ne yabona emachita adlana. Naming lana. Kubaleka just away.
Guys, I enjoyed myself Kumpondo Land. Just imagine shooting with one of the most biggest stars in the industry. Just imagine, guys. It doesn't get better than this. Come on, shooting kwezinye indawo so ezi serious, ilali. Come on, shooter with the biggest stars. Lo mshooter lo Master Key. Kabang. Shooter naye ke kuMpondo Land. And manje sekafike ku-1,000 subscribers, guys. So congratulations to him. Guys, it was key para nizombona ivideo bayiqala, guys. Nizombona ivideo bayiqala. Yabo, guys. That is a cool guy, guys. Simply I benganandaba ukuthi sama extra. Like he's the guy. He is the guy. I was like, lo mntu akanandaba ukuthi sama background le kuhlele nathi akana manje ngokomthetho mamela ahlale nama actors ama-cast kodwa uhleli nathi isiplomele siyayixoxela akanandaba umjito cool. That's I prefer actors like that. You know ma-actors ukuthi afike laphana i-production ifike baneka ama-gown then bafike bagqoka ama-gown bazenze ngcono bathi yo these backgrounds yazi ngathi basibheka ngathi siyanuka ngathi sama-whole script kids or something. Wayebe so ama-big actors wayebe so mara bakhohlwa ukuthi beba-broke la badonithelwa yithi esidonatayo la bese be-broke la sebebuyile emakubo sebedabukisa ku-social media yithi esidonatayo futhi but asikho lapho. Embona I had a good time. You got a good time laphana. I was a construction worker kuMpondo Land construction worker inkohli character nimele yamama. But yeah, uma ka Lazarus kunimba la mama leyo kathi ma Lazarus, she's a great woman, she's a great character, she has great energy yabo. Shoot naye sama workers akhe sisebenzela yena hayi lapho bezikhipha lapho uMpondo. The reason why I couldn't get a featured role is because I can't speak Mpondo. Let alone isiXhosa is not that yabo yeah. So zakhipha ke lapho. My 1989 ngeMpondo Land it took 2 years for them to pay us, for the production to pay us. I don't know if the agent ate the money, but I only got the money this year. Just imagine, long after Mpondo Land was released. Was released a long time ago and ended long time ago, but we were getting our payments now. Just imagine. Hi guys, but into zakhona enjoy myself. Asikho lapho. Nope, asiphuma politics. Asikho lapho guys, I enjoy myself. Please subscribe. Kube mnandi guys. Let's reach 700 subscribers now. We're almost there. and the next goal is gonna be 800 subscribers. So yeah, let's push it, guys. Let's push it as much as we can. Let's put this channel. Subscribe, guys. More videos are coming, more content, more stories are coming. Yes, more stories are coming, guys. I'm gonna do more stories. Yes, they are keepamos.